Here we go, 5-box draft, 28-23. We have 5-person 5-box draft. It's 97 XHTMLer. And again, we have a fresh case that Westy picked off 2 for the beginning. But again, if anyone wants them, that case looks like it should have something good in there because no 1-on-1s, and we already have 2 in this case. We have a 10th anniversary of Spencer Watson. All right, no worries, XHTMLer. Put you down for a box. Again, we're going to go through that one case, so not a big deal. We have a jersey of Sean Day. Other than McDavid, you got Ekblad, Sam Reinhart, Sean Day,
Drysdale,
Jonathan Drouin.
Yeah. All the, what's it called? Any heroes that are in the product?
Any heroes that are in the product. Matt, it's actually a very solid product. Nicholas Obi-Kubel, 2013.
Maurice Richard, Gordie Howe.
So Matt Fern, I recommend you try all the boxes. We have an autograph of Curtis Lazar. Jeez. We got a triple jersey of Cole Shovelday, Tristan Jarry, and Eric Comrie. Triple jersey. So considering we got 2 1-on-1s already in the first 5 boxes in that side, if there's 1 or 2 1-on-1s in every case, that's freaking nuts. We got a game-used jersey, 2-color, Morgan Klimchuk. Is the guy who plays with McDavid good? Who's that? Do you know? The guy who plays with McDavid? Brendan Gaunce, 10th anniversary. Who's the guy who plays with him? Strome?
Yeah, Strome's alright. I knew you guys have been drafted already. You're pretty good too.
Dylan Strome was the one who plays with him?
Dylan Strome, obviously, Ryan Strome.
Oh, was it Ryan Strome who plays with him?
I don't know. I can't say that I know. I can't pretend that I know.
Dash, what's up, buddy? Long time no see. 10th anniversary. Josh Morrissey. I'm so sad about the Ekblad. So sad about Ekblad.
Such a big card. I keep putting it in the wrong pile.
We've got a Dominic Turgeon. Class of 2014 3D. We have an autograph. Nice. Anthony Mantha.
You're the buyer for that one. You don't have to look too far.
There you go, Matt Fern. So maybe you'll help me more than I'll help you with your knowledge. We've got another autograph of Jack Vertanen. Or Jake Vertanen. (2014) 3D of Blake Clark. And Lee Bass. And now we got John's hits here. Brendan Profit. If you take this card, you automatically profit. Jace Howrelick. Class of 2014, Jace Howrelick. Shea Theodore, 10th anniversary. Olivier Leblanc. Autograph. 10th anniversary of Sean Monahan. We got a Derek Pouliot Top Prospects Game Used Patch. Doesn't show it. It's number 2. 3-color Game Used Patch. Derek Pouliot. We got a Game Used jersey of Carter Verhaeghe. I'm definitely saying that one wrong. Autograph of Ryan McInnes. 10th anniversary, Anthony Mantha. 2014, Hayden Fleury. And you got a 10th anniversary numbered to 50, Jason Spezza. So I guess they're numbered all over, eh?
Yep.
Because we've had a 20, a 70, a 70, and a 50. I'm feeling a vintage guy now coming.
Yeah. Give me the hero. And prospects.
Ooh, that's pretty sweet. We've got a game used jersey gold, Madison Bowie.
Oh, yeah, that's 10?
Yeah, most likely.
Likely out of 10?
They cut that one interesting, eh? Madison Bowie.
Yeah. It's a crazy patch. Or jersey gold swatch.
What do we want to call that?
It is.
10th anniversary of Radek Faksa.
Let's get hung up on semantics.
Don't use big words at night. Don't pick that up. See the number first. Game used jersey, Matthew Barzal. Matthew Barzal. Autograph of Bo Horvat. Dun, 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 dun. 10th anniversary of Emile Poirier. Emile Poirier. Nice. We've got a top prospects jersey, 2-color, Nikita Zadorov. Nikita Zadorov. We haven't had that 101 yet, but we've had the gold. We have a 14, Brendan Robinson. Base. Autograph of Blake Clark. Blake Clark. 10th anniversary of Jake Vertanen. Jake Vertanen. So, Desh, if you want any boxes or if you need anything, you want to have some fun tonight, let me know. (2014) Nikita Serebryakov. Yay, on long names. Patch feels epically thick. Yes, it is. And we've got a number to 100 and a 10th anniversary Semyon Varlamov. And that card is gigantic. Semyon Varlamov, number to 100. J2, I'll send you an IM right when I'm done with you. Well, done with this. And we have an autograph of Adam Olas Matson. And again, if you want me to get it done for you, I'll happily rock it out. I'll finish off these packs for John. I'll stick around as long as you guys want. Hunter Shinkarik, 10th anniversary. (2014) of Tyler Sandu. Base. And autograph of Morgan Klimchuk. All right, so I'll steal John's pile now. He takes a Prospects jersey of Brendan Gaunce. Brendan Gaunce. Autograph of Duncan McIntyre. 2014, Matt Mistelli. CloutsnChara. Autograph. Who are you calling, John? Nikolai Ehlers. Top Prospects, 10th edition. Game used patch. Brendan Gaunce. Brendan Gaunce. 10th edition of Darnell Nurse. And a 10th anniversary, numbered to 60, Cody Hodgson. So look, these are all over the map, those numberings. I'll have to start on these. Ryan Hartman. Game used jersey. Tenth anniversary of Nicholas Waugh. We got a Top Prospects jersey of Valentin Zykov. Peace. That's a good autograph. We have an autograph of Darnell Nurse. Probably the best auto we've had all night. Darnell Nurse. We have a game-used Top Prospects patch of Eric Waugh. Eric Waugh. We have a class of 2014 Ryan Falkenham. Looks like it's 3 autographs and 3 men's per pack, actually. Oh, sorry, it's per box, sorry. My apologies. 2014 of Roland McCowan. We have a 10th anniversary Kirby Reichel. Tenth anniversary Ryan Hartman. What happened?
You're looking at the wrong brick.
Oh.
Yeah. Simple as that. Just a little digging around to solve the problem.
Our problem or?
Oh no. He thought he was in one mini, but he was in the other.
Oh.
So I was able to find it out pretty quick.
We got an autograph. Hayden Fleury. Hayden Fleury.
One pack mojo.
Thief. Class of 2014, Nikolai Goldobin. Bust. And we finish off with an autograph. Wow, you had 1 and 2 chance to get this.
Yeah.
An autograph of Aaron Ekblad.
You had one job to do.
Boom.